What's going on, guys? So if you've been following the restoration of this truck, you'll know that we replaced all the metal right here, and that came out really good. And we got some primer sprayed on there. We're gonna leave that sit for about a week before we dig in there and sand that down for the final paint job. But obviously there's other stuff to do before we paint this truck, and this is the one thing we got to do today. This is today's project. It's a roll-on bed liner, and this bed was a disaster. There was so many chips, rust holes. It was just a mess. This whole piece of metal was replaced. I actually had to use a 36 grit flap disc on a grinder to clean this up. But this truck's getting a complete paint job, so we had to do a little something with this bed to clean this up. So we're going to give this a shot, and we're going to see what kind of results we get. And just to take a look at this stuff, I opened it up a couple minutes ago, and when I first mixed it up, it was a little watery on top, but it's really neat stuff. Supposedly this product really sticks to bare metal, and that's what we're looking for. Get this to stick to the bare metal and add a little protection. It's obviously not going to be used, as a work truck anymore. It's a restoration. So let's get rolling. Alright, that's about half. This stuff is thick. Definitely not complaining about that. Go in the corners here. Seems to go on pretty nice. Well, hopefully it was worth it getting the roll-on stuff, because yeah, definitely this is nice and thick. This looks cool. Guess you gotta push a little bit on there. That's nice. Goes on really thick. Very nice. Alright, so this is the first coat here. This only took a couple seconds to roll this on, and so far I'm pretty impressed. Looks great. Alright, so here's the end result. You know, I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. It looks good. It looks like it was sprayed on. I'm actually really surprised because I used a lot of the aerosol cans and it never gave me this type of result. All I did was roll it on. And it was pretty easy to roll on too. Yeah, not a bad product at all. I'll definitely use it again. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I'm going to be restoring this truck. And if you want to follow along with the whole process, hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to try to post a video every single day. I got to restore the frame. When I paint this, we're going to be doing the two-tone on there with the red and silver. The truck needs cab corners. I got to put a floor in it over here. Something's going on under there, I'm not really sure. The hood's in pretty good shape. It had a bow in it, but I got the bow out of it. So that's good to go. We're putting new fenders on here. They're all rotted out at the bottom. This thing's got the old retro style wheels. This truck came with these things. It's just a really cool truck. But there's so much left to do on here. We're going to paint the jambs, but we're going to save these stickers. I'll show you guys how that works. And we're just going to keep going on this thing. Thanks for watching the video, everybody.